Hello Meghna. Hello everyone. She is Meghna of class 5. So Meghna is having a doubt in how to draw a factor tree. Okay Meghna, so I have given two numbers on the board. You have to draw a factor tree for it. Okay, these questions are from your chapter 3, factors and multiples. Okay, so see, factor tree is nothing but it's a visual diagram in mathematics. It's like a diagram, right? Okay, so factor tree method is nothing but it's a method of factorizing a number that is similar to the way in which the branches of a tree are split. How the branches of a tree are split? We have one stem, yes, and from one stem different branches comes out. Like that same way you have to divide this. Okay, so a composite number will be given to you. You have to break down that composite number into its unique prime factors. Okay, so you have to start with your number given. So I'll do it, please listen to. Okay, see, what is the number given here? 96. Okay, you have to start splitting it. Break down this composite number. Okay, so we can start with the least one. How we can start? We can start with 2. It will go in 2 table, right? Okay, so 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. So 2 into 4 is 9. 2 into 48 is 96. So can you factorize this 2 anymore? No. 2 is a prime number, so we cannot factorize it anymore. So when you cannot factorize it further, you have to circle it. Okay, next 48. 48 is a composite number. We can factorize it further. So again we can take it in 2 table. Okay, 2 into 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Yes, 2 into 24 is 48. Okay, so 2 we cannot factorize it further. It's a prime number, so we'll circle it. It ends here. But 24 we can factorize it. So 24 we can factorize it further. Again we can take it in 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 again a prime number. We'll circle it, ends here. But 12 is a composite. We can factorize it further. Okay, so 2 into 6. Yes, 2 again it ends here because it's a prime number, but 6 is a composite number. We can factorize it further. 2 3s are 6. Yes, so 2 and 3 both are prime numbers, so it ends here. Did you understand, kids? So this is how you will draw a factor tree for a given number. Okay, then the product of all these numbers at the end will be the given number. Okay, when you multiply these products, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, you will get 96. Did you understand? You will do the next one, 125. Come on, draw a factor tree for it fast. Okay, yes, come on, start splitting it. You have to break down it into its unique prime factors. Yeah, you have to draw the branches. Yeah, yes, you have to break down the composite number into its unique prime factors. It starts with the original number and the branches out into pairs of factors. Yes, continue. You have to continue the process till the end numbers are prime numbers. Yeah, in which table you can take 5